Alright, welcome. This is the 7.1 Vocab and Core Concept Check. Here, you're just want to make sure that you understand the concepts and the vocab, and this is how we can check. So number one, the vocab. When is a polynomial in one variable in standard form? Okay, they're looking for a word. Alright, so here we know that it is a polynomial that has one variable. So let's use x, and it's already in standard form, degree 1. What will we call that? Okay, we have a word for that. It's called a monomial. So this is a monomial. Again, one term, one variable. Open-ended. Write a trinomial, so it has three parts, three terms, one term, another term, plus another term, with degree 5. So this is degree 5. And let's just use one variable. Okay, so x. So we're going to put x here plus an x here. Okay, and we could just go in descending power. So x5 plus x4 plus x3. Okay, or another one could look like this. 2x5 minus 5x plus 7. That would also work. Okay, this is a trinomial because it has three terms, one variable, which is just x, and the highest degree is 5. Number 3, how can you determine whether a set of number is closed under an operation? Okay, what do we call that when it is closed under a operation? Okay, so we call this closed under an operation is when you add or subtract a polynomial. Okay? It is still closed. What that means is x plus x is equal to x. So first degree plus a first degree is going to be equal to a second degree. Okay? Number 4, which one does not belong? Which expression does not belong with the other? Explain. So here, this is not a polynomial because of the x in the exponent. This is a -1, so this is not a polynomial. What about this one? This looks like a good one. Oh, the 3's on bottom. No, because here, this is a very interesting one. Let's see. It is the first one or the last one. Let's see. Not a. Okay, this is not a polynomial, but it can be written like this. Oh, so this is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. And this is also a polynomial. Okay, that was a very interesting one. Because the -1 sometimes make it not a polynomial, but there's no variable here. So I could just rewrite it as a -1/2. So yeah, this is still a polynomial. So which one does not belong? We would say the second one. It is the only one that is not a polynomial. Okay, so again, that is your vocab and core concept check.